Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In today's episode, we will learn about the trial of Sayyidina Ayub alayhi salam. Sayyidina Ayub alayhi salam is from the descendants of Sayyidina Ishaq alayhi salam, and his mother is from the family of Sayyidina Lut alayhi salam. Allah blessed him with a diverse range of bounties, including beauty, access of wealth and children, uncountable number of cattle, fields and gardens. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put him under trial and tribulation, his home collapsed, and all of his sons became trapped underneath and died. All of the animals, that included hundreds of camels and thousands of goats, died. All of the fields and gardens were also ruined. In the end, nothing was left in his possession. Whenever he was informed about these ruins and destruction of all these possessions, he would glorify Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and pay gratitude by saying, "What was mine and what is mine, the one who is Lord of all has taken it. For the duration that he bestowed me with it, it was within my possession, and he has taken it back when he wished. I am always satisfied in whatever pleases him." After this, he fell sick and big-sized blisters appeared on his blessed body. Under this state, everyone left him except for his only wife, whose name was Rahmat bint Ephraim, who was the granddaughter of Sayyidina Yusuf alayhi salam. Sayyidina Ayub alayhi salam suffered this very state for many years. He remained in severe pain due to the blisters and boils. A widespread misconception among the people is that Sayyidina Ayub alayhi salam was suffering from leprosy. Some unauthentic books have also recorded fabricated stories about his leprosy. But remember, these tales are completely incorrect, and Sayyidina Ayub alayhi salam or any other prophet has never been affected with the disease of leprosy. In this context, there is a unanimous rule that the Prophets ﷺ stay protected from all those diseases that are publicly loathsome and detested. This is because it is the primary duty of the Prophets to preach the people, so it is obvious that when people will detest and go afar from them due to such illness, then how can the obligatory task of preaching be executed? Conclusively, Sayyidina Ayub alayhi salam never at all suffered from leprosy, but only mere blisters, boils and pimples popped up on his blessed body, due to which he suffered troubles for many years, but he endured it with great patience and gratefulness. Then, with the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he invoked in the following ways: "Distress has stricken me, and you are the most merciful of all those who do mercy." When Sayyidina Ayub alayhi salam remained steadfast in the trial conducted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and was successful in his test, his supplication was accepted. The most gracious and merciful Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered him, "O Ayub, stamp your foot on the ground." When he struck his foot on the ground, immediately a spring of water gushed forth. It was commanded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to Sayyidina Ayub alayhi salam to bath from this water. Therefore he bathed, and all the disease of his body were healed. He then walked 40 steps, and the command to stamp the foot on the ground was given again. As soon as he stamped his foot on the ground, another spring of water bubbled up, and its water was very cold, sweet and exceptionally delicious. When Sayyidina Ayub alayhi salam drank this water, his inner self was enlightened with the divine light, and he attained an excellent health and high spirituality. Allah revived all his children back to life, blessed his wife with youth again, and they had more children. After that, he was also bestowed again with his lost riches and cattle, provisions and resources. In fact, he was bestowed with a lot more riches and wealth than what he possessed before. One day during the day of his illness, Sayyidina Ayub alayhi salam called his wife, and she came with some delay, which enraged him. He swore an oath to strike her with 100 whips. Allah said, O Ayoub, strike your wife once with a grass-made broom, and through this your oath will be fulfilled. Therefore Allah has mentioned this event in the Holy Quran in following words. We said, strike the earth with your foot. This cool spring is for bathing and drinking, and we bestowed his household to him, and many more similar to it, as a mercy from us, and as a remembrance for the people of intellect. And we said, take a broom in your hand and strike her with it, and do not break your oath. We indeed found him patiently enduring. What an excellent bondman. He is indeed always turning to Allah. Sayyidina Ayub alayhi salam was fully successful in his trial. Allah blessed him with all types of his bounties, and the Holy Quran crowned his blessed head by presenting him with the unparalleled title of Awwab.